Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Yanni, and I am back with another video. Whew, it's kind of been a minute. Life has been lifing. I feel like I say that almost every video now, but life is seriously just always lifing. So I have to get myself together before I can just come on here and just be talking to you guys. But today I finally have that updated video about the strap for the Haven laptop tote. And so I'm going to be showing that with you guys today. So if you guys are not already subscribed, go ahead and make sure you subscribe, and let's get started. Okay, so as I mentioned to you guys before, and as you can see in the title, this video is going to be about my updated strap. A few of you were asking about that, and they did actually send me a new strap. So this one's my old one, right, with the missing thing, the missing knob. Like, just not cute. I'm gonna zoom in for you guys so you can see. Okay, and then on like the sides it had some little just wear and tear stragglies. That really wasn't that like deep of an issue to me. I just cared that I wasn't able to adjust it anymore. So yeah, they finally sent me a new one. They actually were pretty nice about it. So I'm also gonna put my emails in here. Well, not like everything, but like my emails with them back and forth, just saying that, you know, like I told them that I was doing actually a video for you guys, and that I had the bag a little bit over a year, and that the strap was broken, and so they were like they were gonna send me a new one when it was time, but they were out. So I had to wait. I did have to like hit them up a few times before they actually, you know, had one in stock. So I did have to kind of like stay on them about it, but it finally came. So I actually put it on the bag already because I was thirsty. So here's my work bag, looking like a work bag. It has everything in here still, but it has a new strap with, look, not one, but two. Right, two knobs. I don't know what these are called, honestly. The adjustable thing, so I can adjust it. Your girl is back in action. It looks new. It's got that, you know what I'm saying, I don't know, it's just got that fresh look and feel. Granted, this video is like long overdue, and I've actually been using the new strap. I've broken it in and it's still fine. So the other two still have like their little stragglies. I don't care. This wear and tear is normal. So other than that, and other like than the strap being replaced, I have no complaints, because I take this bag, like I said, I take this bag everywhere. So I really have no complaints, and I'm just actually so happy about the bag and about them just actually replacing it, because that's really all I needed. Now I'm thinking about getting another bag from them. I just don't know what. So if you guys bought a bag from them, let me know what bag you bought and how that's going. But I was thinking about like the backpack one, and I don't know, I just don't feel like I would be able to fit all my stuff in there, but maybe I need to carry less stuff. I just don't know if that's possible, because I need to be prepared for like every single moment of the day. So I mean, I don't know, because right now what we got a headband in case we just wasn't really feeling it. I had a hair clip on my bag where I took it off. I put on my jacket. Like, we still just have all these things in here. I ended up getting a fan. This is a portable fan. I don't even know if I showed all this, but I ended up getting a portable fan because I'd be hot. I live where it's hot, and then sometimes it'd be hot. Most of the times I'd be really cold. And this is really cool. I'm actually gonna put this in the link in my bio because it's in my Amazon shop. But it also has a flashlight. Enough, because this is about the bag, right? So the Haven laptop bag, Haven laptop tote. I've had this bag for a while now. It's 2024, and everything else, still no complaints. So the only wear and tear is like on the straps, but nowhere else, which is so weird. I was gonna take the thing out, but I've showed you guys the bag actually like so many times. So you know what, actually I'm gonna take it out because I just need to show you guys. So actually this part right here has like a little tiny bit of resting, I think. but it's so not major, so I just feel like it's not even something to complain about. I carry now 2 laptops in this bag. I have no complaints. I wiped that little mark off. The bottom is still really good. All 4 of these are still on. It's been over a year, at least 2 now, I feel like. And this bag is like sticking. This bag is my best friend. I just want to let you guys know. When I go to the airport and I'm able to throw this on my luggage, that little back strap, and not be carrying this thing, I'd be so happy. Like, this bag is my life. So if you want like a trusty bag, like, I really think this is definitely a go-to. Like I said, I know it's a little pricey, but everything's a little pricey right now. And like, this is not a sponsored video or nothing. I just genuinely love this bag. And then if you are like, if you sign up for like their VIP or VIT, then they do little pop-up sessions where they give you discounts on like bag combinations. Just in case you guys want to check that out. All in all, this is going to be a short video just because this video was all about the strap, and I have nothing really to say other than I'm back in action, and they gave me a new strap and I love it, because this old one was getting a little raggedy and not being able to adjust. If you're not able to adjust, this is not a good bag. This is not the bag for you. If you can't adjust it, it's not the bag. If you gotta put stuff in here for like for real, for work, for travel, and you can't adjust this, it's not the bag for you. So I'm really so grateful. So thank you, Calpak. If you guys get a chance to watch this video, because I told you it's not sponsored, like 100%. But yeah, like, I bought this with my own money, and I'd buy another one. I just didn't want to buy another one so soon. But I think, you know what, I might buy another one, like the brown color or the cream one. I would do either one of those, and like, I would be set. All in all, I'd rate that like a 9 out of 10 as far as like customer satisfaction. So we're done with this old strap. We're loving the adjustable part. We're loving this. This made my life. Okay, like, I really just did a video for strap, but I don't even feel bad, right? Because I would watch this video and I'd be concerned about the strap and if it ever came. So I just wanted to update you guys. Thank you so much for supporting my videos. I love you guys. Thank you so much. I'm glad that this has been helpful for a lot of you. And if you guys want me to do any other videos, go ahead and drop it in the comments. Be sure to leave this video a like, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Your boy got the full body do-rag out.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing sissy slides in both.